Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this entire section, we are going to talk about themes. We will talk about how we can install a theme from the web, how we can download and upload a theme, and how we can work with themes. So what are themes exactly? Well, themes are the design of the website. They are the interface of the website. They decide how your website is going to look like. Right now, our website is using a theme which looks like this, and this is pretty okay. This is not great, but this is okay. And to work with themes, we can go to this appearance tab and then we can click on themes. So just go to appearance and then click on themes. Here you can see that we are using the 2022 theme, and we have two more theme here. We have 2020 and 2021. If you want to activate this theme on the website, on this website, then you can click on activate, and you can go back to your website and then you can refresh. Now first see that this website is looking different, and if I hit refresh, then the entire design of this website will change in just a second. Okay, so the entire design, the entire interface, the entire look of this website has changed. And that is the power of WordPress. That is the power of theme. You can change the entire design, the entire look, the entire interface of your website in just a click. Okay, you can just change the theme and the entire design will change. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can install more theme. But first we are going to delete all these theme. So just click on the theme detail and then click on delete, this delete option here. Just click on delete and then click on OK. And we will also delete the 2022 theme which we were using. So click on theme detail and then click on delete and then click on OK. And now we want to add a new theme, and to add a new theme you can click on this add new option here. So just click on add new. And now you have arrived at the theme marketplace. These are all the free themes that are available to you. You can use any of them for free. You can use all of these themes for free. And I will search for a specific theme. So I will just click on the feature filter and I will filter the theme by blog, this subject here, because I am building a blog application right now and I want to see the theme that are good for blog. So I will click on apply filter, and here is the list of all the theme which are used for building a blog website, and you can choose any of them. You can choose this Rosa theme, you can choose News Republic, and you can choose this theme as well. This is pretty good, this is also good, this is also good, and all of these themes are good. But I will scroll down and I will click on this theme. So this one here it is. Yeah, I will install this theme, this best blogger theme. So I will click on install now, and this theme will be installed, and we now need to activate it. So it's installing. We will wait for the installation to complete and then we will activate this theme. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and yeah, it's taking some time. I don't know why. Alright, so the installation process is complete. Now to use this theme on our website, we need to activate this. So we will click on activate here, and now if we go back to our website, the entire design of our website will change. But first I will delete this 2020 theme. So click on theme detail and then click on delete and then click on OK. And I will cross this. This is giving me a requirement that this theme requires you to install the Elementor plugin. I'm not going to do it because in the next video I'm going to use a different theme. So just go to your website and refresh, and you will see the entire design of your website has changed. The entire design has completely changed. You can click on this first post, and now you can see the new design, and this is looking good. This is a better theme than the ones which we were using previously. Alright, that's it for this video. In the next video I will show you how you can download a theme from the internet and upload it. All of that coming up in the next video. Bye.